It's been another hour. I'm going to do another fold of this. Let's see how it's coming along. Ooh, we've got some really nice bonding. Look at that dough. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'll let it rest a little bit longer, and we'll fold it another time and see how it's coming along. Okay, it's been 4 hours since we first mixed this dough from the beginning of the auto lease. So I'm going to fold it one more time and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. It's really beautiful silky dough. So I'll put this dough in the refrigerator and we'll shape it and bake it off tomorrow.